So let's try to write here, test. This is a permanent marker. It's pretty similar, but when this is dry, I don't have a sponge for the whiteboard, so I'm gonna use just a kitchen sponge. When you do this, the dry erase marker is gone completely, while the permanent marker stays there. So if you do this by mistake on a whiteboard, you can use alcohol to remove it. So let's try it. Okay, so here I will first use the dry erase marker, and you can put the cap back on the other side, and I'll say here, nice. Test. So you can write with the tip where it's really thin. It gets a bit thicker if you hold it horizontally. Just like that. And I will also use the permanent marker in between. And I would say here, now that's permanent here. When you look at this, it's really, they look the same on a whiteboard. On a whiteboard, the dry erase marker looks the same as the permanent marker, but the difference is that you can even use your finger to remove the dry erase marker, while the permanent marker is permanent. So I can use the sponge to remove this dry erase marker. This has a bit of scratches here, so that's why it doesn't get removed. That's why it doesn't get removed immediately, but the permanent marker is still there. I'll try the cloth. Okay. So you have permanent marker still there. So get some alcohol spray. Spray the area. Let it sit for a moment. It will start, you will start seeing this effect, like it's starting to fade away. As it's doing that, you can remove it. But I might have to spray it again, once again. So one more spray and wipe. Okay. Still there because this board is a bit scratched. I'll spray again and I will let it sit longer. But this is the difference between the dry erase marker and the permanent marker. So yeah. I can write here something else. Test. And I can simply wipe it away. Just like that. But on this board, it's so scratched. You can still see it. So I'll use a bit of alcohol on the dry erase marker and do that too. Kind of. Maybe if I would write on a corner that's not so scratched, maybe here. Okay. This is the dry erase marker. It's working pretty well. So far it's okay. It's what I wanted. Thanks Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you see the difference between dry erase marker and permanent marker. Don't use permanent markers on whiteboards, but you can remove them with the spray, any alcohol spray. The content here is changed, but 70% alcohol or higher. Thanks for watching.